Good morning,
Good
Good morning, class.
good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Who is this socials?
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
बेटा अपना प्लीज ये चेंज करिए, socials हटाइए.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. कौन है ये socials के नाम से? Please change. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, बेटा.
Ma'am, your password entered the class.
This is
Good
what.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Shivansh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vyom.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Is that socials changed?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Prashasti. Prashasti.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Arushi, was this Arushi?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, I want you people to open the cameras for some time.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Karan, thank you. Yes. Others also in the meeting?
Yes, ma'am. 2 minutes.
Fine.
Ma'am, today we will do question answers of history.
Nahi, we will do worksheet. We will do worksheet.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, how many worksheets do we have for history?
Ma'am, written worksheet.
हाँ बेटा, written worksheet करेंगे. Reason being, all the 3 sections are together. So we need to maintain the decorum of the class. Imagine, though the strength should be somewhere around 120, hardly 39 are there in the class. Still, we need to maintain that decorum. So I'll share the worksheet with you. You will do it in a specified time period and we will discuss it in the class. And while discussing, whosoever is going to make noise unnecessarily will be removed from the meeting. Right? You need to maintain the discipline part so that whichever child I am telling to answer needs to answer. Right?
Ma'am, it will be the first written worksheet of history only, na?
नहीं, इससे पहले I think we have done. नहीं, history का it will be the first one. Yes. History का it is the first one. Who are very new to the class today?
We will do it in the... Ma'am, we will do it in a history fair copy only.
Do it in the fair notebook so that you don't have to maintain pages unnecessarily. Do it in the fair notebooks only. Every time I tell you this only. Specify the date, worksheet and everything. Okay. Ilma is attending for the first time.
No, ma'am.
And Fatima?
Ma'am, of history, na?
Yes, this is of history.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we will write worksheet 1.
You will write history chapter 1 worksheet 1. Today the strength is very less. Why is it so? Just 34 are there in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, do we have to stick any map like in geography? We have stick.
Ma'am, because today is the last day.
Ma'am, they are enjoying the vacations in advance.
ये बढ़िया लगा हमें. They are enjoying the vacations in advance. I think.
Ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Victor.
Two of the children are asking to let them in.
Okay, I am not able to see them. Maybe because I have scrolled. Many are there. Oh my God. Many were there. Okay, I have admitted all of them.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
And now the
Strength is now 54, 56. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vijay. Good morning.
Ma'am, it means that they are not enjoying the holidays in advance.
Ah,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Pratyush.
Ma'am, I wonder if you don't mind that if I say namaste.
What?
Ma'am, I wonder you don't mind if I say namaste.
No, of course. Why will I mind? Why will I mind? Tell.
So, ma'am, namaste.
ये तो हमारी सभ्यता हमारी संस्कृति की निशानी है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
लेकिन कुछ लोग फॉलो करना चाहते हैं.
नहीं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बेटा.
Ma'am, we will say you bonjour. Ma'am,
हाँ.
because we are studying French Revolution.
That's good.
Ma'am, but
Ma'am,
in India.
मैं यस मैम हम अपनी हिंदी
I will
संस्कृति
only say namaste, ma'am, not bonjour.
Okay.
Namaskar, ma'am.
हाँ, नमस्कार. Where has
मैम
the
टुडे वी फैक्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन.
there are what I am sharing with you is a combined worksheet, and you people can consider it as a. Just a second.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you said that we'll be doing flowcharts today.
Beta, but it is a combined class. It is a combined class. Which chapter worksheets you, which chapter flowcharts you want to do? Geography.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
you
history
said
chapter one.
history.
Ma'am, Geography Chapter 1.
मैम हिस्ट्री चैप्टर 1.
See, I'll tell you one thing. With B section, I am over with the French Revolution flowcharts. So they will be sitting idle if I do the flowcharts with you. So let us engross everybody in the class, right?
यस मैम.
Okay,
Give me a minute, just a minute. Huh?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, like you were talking about the hair. No, ma'am, my mother did this to avoid ma'am sweat.
What? Huh, that I know, but what did I tell you? I told you it is not necessary that you go to a barber's shop. Did I tell you to go to a barber's shop?
No, ma'am, I put a hairband on.
Ah, very good. This is also looking nice.
Ma'am, few students want to enter.
Few want to enter, but it is not showing anyone. I am there. I can see.
मैम दे माइट बी
Ma'am,
कमिंग.
3 students have written message on the group.
Ma'am, Avantika, Purvi, and
Beta,
Ma'am, now we are in.
this is what.
yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. So I am sharing the worksheet with you people.
ma'am, only answers.
Only answers. These are fill in the blanks, right?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम.
Be ready with your books and your, be ready with your notebooks and your, what do you call?
And
Harshit, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Tell me if my screen is visible. Just a minute.
No, ma'am, it is not.
Arey, just a minute, I said, no?
ma'am, we have to raise hand for answering.
No. You will be writing all the answers in the notebooks and then sharing it with me.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, how many questions?
Beta, there are fill in the blanks. These are fill in the blanks that I am giving you. And there are approximately, let me tell you, wait. Just a second, no?
Ma'am, means it is completely objective.
Yes, it is completely objective. How to see the images now? Wait. Chalo, I'm sharing the screen, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is WhatsApp? Here. Share. It's taking so much of time. Hanji.
Ma'am, 40 questions?
Beta, blanks hai ye. These are all blanks.
Ma'am, but
Chaliye. You start writing this.
Direct questions, when we read the questions also, or direct answers?
Only answers. Only answers. I will share the worksheet with you. Right? I will share this with you. But right now, what you have to do, you do only the answers. Mark, the numbering should be correct. Let us do first 20. Okay? To save on time.
Ma'am, draft.
नहीं बेटा हिस्ट्री की फेयर नोटबुक में कर लो आप लोग. Is the recording going on?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Thank-
ma'am.
Thank you, class. Yes, I will not mind. Sat Sri Akal. Okay, very good.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, okay. Would you please share this worksheet on the group, ma'am?
Right now?
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं, आप अभी फिलहाल यहीं से देखो. अभी हम नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि सब लोग मीटिंग छोड़ के भाग जाएंगे. I have to take attendance also.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
I will
Do we
share.
have to
And
post
please
this
can
in the
you
group?
tell what kind of notebook we have to make?
Beta, both side rule for history, geography, intra-leave, one side plain, one side rule.
Okay, ma'am.
See, one has already left the meeting. 59 were there, now 58 we have.
Ma'am, do we have to post this in the group?
Yes, in the form of PDF.
Okay.
How will I know that you people have attempted it or not?
Ma'am, just the answers, no?
Only the answers, beta. Questions you will not write.
Okay.
ma'am, it's just one page, so we can simply send a photo.
बेटा फोटो से पता है क्या होता है बेटा, मेमोरी भर जाती है. पीडीएफ से दिक्कत नहीं होती. पीडीएफ स्टोर करने में इजी होती है मैम को. इमेजेस मैम को स्टोर करने में मुश्किल होती है. यस बेटा.
Ma'am, in the fourth question, we have to write the name, or ma'am, we have to write the country from which she was.
Wait, let me see. Just a second.
No, ma'am, we have to do same, I guess.
The princess of Louis XVI was Name of the princess you have to tell.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh? 9th B, 9th A. Where is 9th?
Ma'am, Princess of Louis XVI or Queen of Louis XVI?
Princess. वो prince थे ना. Louis was prince. She was called as princess only, no?
Ma'am, can you? So, ma'am, we have to write the name.
Yes. You do one thing. Both the things you write, name and the country to which she belonged. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you show from now 6th one?
Have you all done? 1 to 5?
No,
all?
ma'am, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, attendance for 9th A. Abhiraj is not there. Aditya Rao,
Yes, ma'am.
Adnan Khan. Adnan Khan, are you there? बेटा अदनान आप मीटिंग में हैं? अखिलेश पटेल, अलेख सिंह, अनुष्का गुप्ता,
Yes, ma'am.
आर्यन गुप्ता,
Ma'am, can you show the next image?
just a second. Can you see?
Ma'am, please, ma'am.
Can you zoom it a little bit?
Done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Aryan Patel is not there. Ayush Bhardwaj, not there. Bhavya Dikshit, not there. Ilma,
Yes, ma'am.
Krishna Chatwani, not there. Kumar Parth,
Yes, ma'am.
Kumar is there. Kushagra Singh,
And please again show the previous image.
just a second. Just a second. Kushagra Singh,
Ma'am, I am here. Adnan.
Kushagra Gautam,
Yes, ma'am.
Maruf, Azhan, Shoaib, Agaz, Muskan Gangwar, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Nishchal Raj.
Ma'am, can you please? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta, which one you want?
Ma'am, 5th one, ma'am. I got disconnected. Ma'am, 5th one.
Shall I dictate it for you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What dash % of French population was made up of peasants?
Okay.
Ma'am, can you zoom the image?
I have
And
already
please show this
it is
image.
it is zoomed only, beta.
Yes,
It is,
ma'am.
हाँ देखो अब गड़बड़ हो गया. हाँ
Ma'am, we can zoom it by
Ma'am, you can share the questions on WhatsApp.
Ma'am, by setting our windows to 100 or 200.
अच्छा तो हाँ ठीक है ऐसे कर लो. Nothing like it.
Ma'am, please share the questions on the group.
Beta, not now, after the class. Otherwise, everyone will leave the class. हाँ जी. Then Nishal Raj.
Ma'am, please scroll up.
How much?
Ma'am, I want to see the 9th one.
9th one.
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
Is Nishal there in the meeting? No. Noor, no. Om Patel, no. She, no.
Ma'am, a little more, ma'am, please.
Some more? Which one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, a bit more. Yes, ma'am. It's okay.
ठीक है. रेहान अली, ऋषभ कुमार सिंह, संस्कृति,
Present, ma'am.
प्रियांश कुमार, सिद्धांत, तनिष्का.
Ma'am, Rehan Ali present.
Rehan Ali present. Tanishka is present. Sanskriti is also present.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Vanshika. Vanshika is present. Sumit Yadav. Yash Raj Raghuvanshi.
मम्मी के सिर पे भेज सकता है ये.
Molly. Unmute yourself. Beta, Abhinav Gangwar is in B section. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, present.
Adarsh is present. Abhinath.
Present, ma'am.
Abhinav. Arush Pratap.
Ma'am, Abhinav present.
Abhinav present. Then Aryan Bhardwaj present. Ashish Yadav.
Yes, ma'am, present.
Bushra is not there. Divyank Mishra. Divyanka Verma.
So, ma'am, after the class, can you send this on the group also?
Beta, I will send it in the class group only once the class is over. Right? But you need to share the PDFs with me. Diya Gangwar is there in the class? No. Jaskirat, Ishan Johari, Jatin Banga, Karthik Gangwar, Lavish Patel, Madhav Paul, Manjot Kaur.
Ma'am, Ishan Johari present.
Ishan Johari present? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Prachi Sharma. Prachi Sharma is there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pradyunsh.
How did you took my name? Present, ma'am.
Whose name?
I'm Pradyush.
बेटा सी सेक्शन का भी अटेंडेंस नहीं हो रहा है, बी का हो रहा है बच्चे. देन पूर्वशी. प्रियांश.
Ma'am, Pradyush present.
Pradyunsh is present. Priyansh Agarwal. Then Purvashi is not there. Rakshit Solanki is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rohan Rastogi.
Ma'am, absent.
Rohan, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Ma'am, I'm fine.
This is your first class?
Yes, ma'am.
Why is it so?
Sorry, ma'am.
No, I am not asking for sorry. I am asking reason. Why this is your first class? Was there any issue? Any problems?
No, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Then? Just like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Then it is not accepted. Chalo. Yes, somebody said excuse me. Who was that?
Yes, ma'am. That time is ma'am network problem. That's why I have not joined, ma'am, on time.
Okay, Akhilesh. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Mark you present. I'll mark you present. Right. Next is Rishabh. No, Samir Yadav. Is Samir there in the class? This is for all those who are not attending the classes or those who are rarely attending the classes. This time CBSE has said everyone has to maintain the written work. So whatever written work is being given by the teacher, make sure that you are doing it. Right? It is for every subject. And if you will not show the written work, you will not be given internal marks. I am telling you clearly. Later on, do not tell me that, ma'am, this reason, that reason. All the video recordings are shared with you. Go through the recordings. Make sure that your work is all up to date. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
And the ones who will
Yes,
not,
ma'am.
the ones who will not be able to produce their work, they will not be given marks. They will not be given internal marks. And finally, only the marks of the finals will be considered. That you will be having offline. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Make sure that all your written work is complete.
Ma'am, what you said about the exam?
मैम एग्जाम ऑफलाइन होंगे?
हाँ बेटा, फाइनल एग्जाम्स आपके ऑफलाइन ही होंगे. फाइनल एग्जाम्स तो चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए ऑफलाइन ही होंगे. वो ऑनलाइन नहीं होंगे. 8th में तो आपको एक्सक्यूज मिल गया था, बट 9th में ये एक्सक्यूज नहीं मिलेगा बेटा. ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
हाँ, वी वर ऑन. समीर यादव नहीं है. सानिध्या प्रेजेंट.
Yes, ma'am, present.
श्रेया सिंह. शौर्य सक्सेना. श्रेय शिवांकर. अर्सला. युवराज. युवराज सिंह गिल. यशराज, सॉरी वंशराज. Vanshraj, are you
Present,
there?
ma'am.
Okay. Fatima. Fatima is there?
Present.
Okay, fine. I saw you.
Yes.
Okay. C section. Ahana is there?
Present, ma'am.
चलिए. Ahana is there?
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Radhe? Arush is not there. Anokhi? Abhishri? Not there. Anokhi? Not there. Anshika Yadav? Anshika, are you there? Anvesha?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Anvesha.
Ma'am, can you please show 10th one?
10th one, yes, beta. Okay, is it clear now? Then Arihan?
Yes, ma'am.
Arshit?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm there. Yes,
Huh?
ma'am. I'm there. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
I'm there.
Shriyant is there. Okay, fine. Then Arushi? Sorry,
I'm
Arshit.
present, ma'am.
Arushi is there. Arshit Yadav?
I'm present.
Aryan Gangwar? Asjad?
Present, ma'am.
Atharva Verma? Not there. Avantika? Ayushi?
Present, ma'am.
Ayushi is not there. Bhavya Khandelwal? Not there. Gurleen? Not there. Harshit Oberoi?
Present, ma'am.
Himanshu Singh?
Present, ma'am.
Ishi Agarwal?
Present, ma'am.
Araf Patel? Jivyansh? Kartikeya Saxena?
Present, ma'am.
Okay.
Divyansh present, ma'am.
Divyansh present. Kartikeya is also.
Ma'am, in question number 14, what you have to tell?
What you have to tell in question number 14? Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Question
Ma'am,
number 3 up to 10. Lands owned by the churches were.
Ma'am, this is not a one word, ma'am. We have to write a sentence for it.
And ma'am, 24th is also not one word.
24 about dash women's club came up in. Nahi.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it's a
lands
sentence.
owned by churches as in the name.
हाँ.
No, ma'am. It would be, ma'am, that.
Acha, it is a full
Taxes of
statement.
land.
Exactly. It is a full statement, right? Not one word.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, it's ma'am that.
It is a statement. It is a statement.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, so it is the taxes of land owned by the church.
No, ma'am.
And ma'am, what about 24th one?
बेटा इसमें तो बड़ा सिंपल से 2 वर्ड्स लिखने हैं केवल.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, it would be, ma'am, converted into. Ma'am,
नहीं.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, मीन्स किसमें बदल गए थे यही तो चीज लिखनी है.
इसमें आप ये भी तो लिख सकते हो ना. कहाँ गया 14? Lands owned by church were free gifts. They were the free gifts by the king, no?
Ma'am, land owned by the churches
were free.
Correct.
वो देखो इसमें हम 2 चीजें लिख सकते हैं, बट आप फ्री गिफ्ट्स लिख लो, वो ज्यादा बेटर है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए. कार्तिक. काव्या त्रिपाठी नॉट देयर. ख्याति अग्रवाल.
Present, ma'am.
किंजल.
Present, ma'am.
कृष्णा कुमार. मिहिका. Mika is not there.
Ma'am, in 24th, you have to add the full sentence, no?
About dash.
Ma'am, I have made that in 2 words only.
बेटा इसमें भी आप हाँ, इसमें भी 2 वर्ड्स आपके आ जाएंगे आराम से.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है. चलिए. कहाँ पे गए हम? 10 थे.
Ma'am, 19th one is also a bit long.
19th, just a second. Let me see.
No, ma'am. 19.
Ma'am, it is a one-word answer.
Ma'am, it is.
Ma'am,
it is a one-word answer.
हाँ.
Ma'am, it is a one-word answer.
चलिए. पहले सी की अटेंडेंस पूरी नहीं हुई है अभी. पौरुष दक्ष. पौरुष is there?
Ma'am, present. Ma'am, present.
Okay. Then Prachi Gangwar.
Present, ma'am.
Pradyuman and Prakhar. Prashasti.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Purvi.
Present, ma'am.
Saksham Sharma. Samriddhi Shukla, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
You don't attend your classes regularly? Huh? I think this is the 2nd or the 3rd class that you are attending. Am I correct? Samriddhi? Beta Samriddhi?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Bhaiya does not allow you to attend classes? है? चलो अच्छा ठीक है, I'll talk to you later on. Shagun, Shambhavi,
present.
Shambhavi, Shashank, Shambhavi is present. Is Shambhavi present? Shivansh Pal, Shreya.
Present.
Okay, Shreya.
Present, ma'am.
Then Siddhi.
Present, ma'am.
Taran.
Present, ma'am.
Utkarsh.
Present, ma'am.
Molly.
Present, ma'am.
Vyom.
Present, ma'am.
Vyom Sharma.
Present, ma'am.
Any name left?
No, ma'am.
Rashi, are you there? Rashi Parmar?
Yes, ma'am.
You should remind me that I have not taken your name. You should have told me that. Okay. You have been attending since 28, no? Rashi, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Anji, somebody said something?
Ma'am, we don't have to write questions in the notebook.
No, only the answers you write. I will share the worksheet. You paste the worksheet. Get a printout of it and paste it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
But those who not have a printer, ma'am, what we will do then?
तो ये आप सेव करके रखो, जब जैसे ही माहौल बाहर का सही होता है प्रिंट आउट निकालो और फिर जो है लगा दो.
Ma'am, all the pages.
बेटा जो वर्कशीट है वो तो लगाना ही पड़ेगा ना.
Yes, ma'am.
आई एम गिविंग यू अ शॉर्टकट, अदरवाइज पूरा लिखोगे तो बहुत टाइम टेकिंग प्रोसेस है ये. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. यस.
Now, ma'am, in which or ma'am, in the organ in which black fungus is infected, that is being taken out of it, out of our body.
May I didn't.
Ma'am, in the headlines it came that 54 patients' eyes have been taken out who are being infected by the black fungus.
Because of the black fungus. सही कह रहे हो आप बेटा. Is the Sanskriti there in the class?
Ma'am, we have to post the work today itself.
Yes. Today itself.
Ma'am, today at which time?
After the classes are over. Because I think if you have sufficient, like 15 minutes break is there. If in this time you can post, well and good. Otherwise, after your classes, you post.
Ma'am, do we have any?
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Tell.
Ma'am, do we have